Learn how to create dynamic goal tracker in Excel. Easy and Pro. First, add icons using condition formatting. Customize the icons. Change icons. Change type and value. Show icons only. Let's test it. Calculate goals completed using COUNTIF function. Now calculate goals incomplete. Find goals completion percent. Just divide progress by total number of goals. Next, find average of progress completion percent using average function. Find average of remaining percent. Next step is to insert line chart to show completion percent progress. Remove title. Format line chart. Add markers. Choose automatic option. Make line color green. Make line smooth. Set vertical axis values as delete horizontal axis. Format grid lines. Choose gradient color. Add donut chart to visualize average completion percent. Remove title and legends. Set hole size. Decrease its size. Change slices color. Choose gray for incomplete and green for complete. Show progress percent and center. Insert text box and link with value. Now format the box and value. Great. It's done. Please like, share, and follow.